Welcome to 404 Eagle Ridge Court. This neat 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with laminate hardwood flooring inside and a large fenced backyard with deck sits on a cul-de-sac street in the Eagle Ridge neighborhood in Gaston, convenient to I-26 in Lexington. So we're in the front of the home. You can see here you have a nice size front yard. The home sits on a large corner lot. There's a driveway on the right side here, a slight slope, parking for several cars. And there's a side door as well, but we'll enter through the front. So you have about 4 or 5 steps up into the covered front porch area. And then you go through your front door. And as we enter, you can see the laminate hardwood flooring that starts here in the foyer and continues throughout most of the home as well. So now we're in the living room. You can see there's vaulted ceilings, a ceiling fan in here, as well as a wood-burning fireplace. And then there's a sliding door that lets us out to the back. So we'll go ahead and take a quick look at that while we're here. So right out back, you can see there's a nice sized deck at the back of the home. There's a large backyard which is fenced. There are a few sheds on the property as well, but those are owner storage, so those won't be available to you as a renter if you do decide to rent the place. But right off the living room, see there's a dining area here with chair rail molding. And you have sort of a bay window there as well, or at least the 3 windows kind of in that half window design. Light fixture there. In the kitchen you have tile flooring and wood cabinets. There's a refrigerator, has a bottom drawer freezer. You also have a smooth top electric range, as well as a dishwasher there in the corner. There's a pantry here, so you can see some shelving inside, and you also do have some nice sort of built-in racks there for spices or whatever you'd like to store there. There's a side door going to those steps that we saw, and a ceiling fan in the kitchen as well, in the eating dining area. And then you also have a laundry closet off the dining area in the kitchen with full-size washer and dryer connections. There's also some shelving above for some extra storage as well. And then on the other side of the home is where the bedrooms and bathrooms are. So the master is here. I'll just show you a view back towards the front. There is a coat closet in that front entry as well. So the master bedroom is here off the living room. You have a ceiling fan in here also, large window looking out towards the backyard. And you can see that flooring continues. You also have a walk-in closet. And then also the master bathroom. So the laminate hardwoods continue into the bathroom. They sort of stop, and then right near the toilet and tub, you have some tile flooring there, double sinks, and then you also have a large garden tub and an arched window above, and tile surrounding that. Then your second and third bedrooms are at the front side of the home. Here's one of those 2, also with the ceiling fan, window looking out front, and then you have a closet here. And that goes back behind the door just a little bit. You have your second full bathroom, single vanity, tile flooring in here also, as well as a shower and tub. And then last but not least, your third and final bedroom. This one has vaulted ceilings, ceiling fan, and you have a nice window with sort of some side lights and a nice arch detail above. And then the closet in this room is slightly larger than the one in the second bedroom. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 404 Eagle Ridge Court in Gaston. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.